Look at this kitchen. Yellow cabinets from the 70s. Worn-out linoleum, dirty walls. Now look at this. Gleaming white quartz, modern cabinets, center island with a breakfast bar. Same house, 4 months apart. How much do you think we made on this flip? $330,000. Yes, you heard that right. $330,000 in just 4 months. And it all started with a house that almost nobody wanted in Pasadena, California. Stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. Step by step, number by number. No secrets here, just smart strategy. This is Pasadena, Los Angeles County. Specifically the Annandale neighborhood. If you know the area, you know we're talking about one of the most coveted zones in Southern California. 10 minutes from old Pasadena, with its boutique cafes, restaurants, and shops. 5 minutes from the Rose Bowl. A-plus rated schools. Historic homes with character. Century-old trees on every street. This is the type of neighborhood where families stay for generations, where properties almost never go down in price. And we found this forgotten gem right in the heart of it all, a craftsman bungalow from 1923. 1,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Classic California architecture with those craftsman details that never go out of style. Exposed beams, wood moldings, original leaded glass windows. Purchase price, $450,000. Now if you know Pasadena, you know that price is aggressive. Renovated craftsman homes in Annandale easily sell for $520,000, $540,000, even more. So why so cheap? Estate sale. The owner passed away. The family lived out of state. They needed to liquidate quickly. They didn't want to deal with repairs, agents, or months of waiting. They wanted cash and to close. That was our opportunity, and we took it. When we first walked in, we understood why the price was low. This house hadn't seen a renovation since the 70s, and it showed in every corner. The kitchen, mustard yellow cabinets that were probably trendy in 1975. Laminate countertops lifting at the corners. In linoleum on the floor, worn down to the point where you could see the subfloor in some areas. Mismatched old white appliances. Fluorescent lighting that flickered. It was depressing. The bathrooms weren't any better. Mint green tiles on the walls of the main bathroom, and not modern green, but that institutional hospital green from the 70s. Bathtub with impossible to remove stains. Dark wood vanity with oxidized brass handles. Woody, lifted vinyl floors. The secondary bathroom had pink tiles. Yes, pink. With pink fixtures, too. As if someone had decorated inspired by a flamingo. Then there was the roof. Active leaks in 2 bedrooms. We could see water stains on the ceilings. That meant not just roof replacement, but also drywall repair and potential structural problems. The original hardwood floors were there, but damaged. Water stains near the windows. Deep scratches. Uneven areas that creaked when you walked. Someone had tried to cover them with cheap carpet in the bedrooms, which only made things worse. But here's the truth. Under all that mess, this house had good bones. The structure was solid. The room proportions were perfect. Natural light came in from everywhere, and the location, well, the location was pure gold. This wasn't an impossible project. It was a diamond in the rough, waiting to shine. After the complete inspection, we sat down to run the numbers. Total renovation budget, $95,000. Let me break it down. Complete kitchen, $28,000. This includes total demolition of the old cabinets, installation of new white shaker-style cabinets, white quartz countertops with gray veining, subway tile backsplash, mid-range stainless steel appliances, and opening up the space to the dining room to create an open concept. The kitchen is the heart of any home. Buyers walk in, see a modern kitchen, and they're already imagining themselves living there. 2 bathrooms, $22,000 total. The main bathroom gets $15,000. Out with the green tiles. We went with large light gray porcelain tiles on the walls, white hexagonal mosaic floor, walk-in shower with frameless glass door, modern floating vanity with vessel sink, contemporary chrome fixtures. The secondary bathroom gets $7,000. Same concept, smaller scale. No pink. Everything neutral, clean, timeless. New roof, $15,000. This is non-negotiable. A leaking roof is a deal breaker for any buyer. Plus, in California, with our fire regulations, a new roof with Class A materials is a major selling point. We put on architectural shingles with a 30-year warranty. Floors, $12,000. We sanded, sealed, and refinished the original hardwood floors throughout the house. In areas where they were too damaged, we installed engineered planks that matched perfectly. Hardwood floors are one of the most sought-after features in Pasadena. Non-negotiable point: paint and details, $8,000. Whole house in warm white on walls, fresh moldings, repainted doors, exteriors in modern charcoal gray with white details. First impression counts. And here comes a key piece of data from our return on investment analysis. According to the best ROI renovations report in the United States for 2026, a minor kitchen remodel has a return on investment of up to 110%. This means that for every dollar you invest in the kitchen, you recover $1.10 in the sale price. Bathrooms have a similar ROI, around 86%. We were concentrating our budget exactly where we would generate the greatest impact. Our strategy was simple: maximize kitchen and bathrooms because that's where buyers make emotional decisions. Everything else, solid, but not extravagant. We started with demolition. We ripped out those yellow cabinets like they were haunted. Linoleum out, green tiles out, cheap carpet out. Everything old came out in 2 days. And when the space was clean, we could really see the potential. The contractor opened up the wall between the kitchen and dining room. It wasn't a load-bearing wall, so it was relatively simple. Suddenly, instead of 2 small, dark spaces, we had an open, bright area of almost 400 square feet. This is exactly what modern buyers want. Open concept, flow, connection between kitchen and living area. We installed the new cabinets. White shaker, nothing too trendy, that could go out of style in 5 years. Classic, clean, timeless. White quartz countertops with subtle gray veining that adds interest without being overwhelming. A center island with space for 4 stools. This converted the kitchen from a purely functional space into the gathering point of the house. White subway tile backsplash in a brick pattern. Simple but elegant. Stainless steel appliances. Nothing ultra-premium, but not basic either. Mid-range that looks good and works perfectly. Lighting. This is something many people underestimate. We took out that horrible fluorescent and put in LED recessed lights in the ceiling, plus 3 glass pendants over the island. The difference was dramatic. The kitchen went from feeling like a basement to feeling like a magazine kitchen. Meanwhile, in the main bathroom, we were creating a spa. Large format light gray porcelain tiles on the walls. Fewer grout lines mean a cleaner, more modern look. White hexagonal mosaic floor, a pattern that's on trend, but also classic. Walk-in shower with rainfall, shower head, and frameless glass door. People want to feel like they're in a luxury hotel when they shower. Floating walnut wood vanity with vessel sink. Large frameless mirror with integrated LED lighting. Chrome fixtures, everything coordinated, everything intentional. And here's another piece of data from the 2026 ROI report. Adding spa elements to bathrooms, especially walk-in showers and double vanities, can increase resale value by up to 75% of the installation cost.